Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's do an easy problem, that is the daily challenge problem 804, unique Morse code words. So in this video, we're going to share the dictionary or set and check method. So in other words, we're going to use both dictionary and set in this problem. So let's first look at the statement of the problem. So International Morse code defines a standard encoding where each letter is mapped to a series of dots and dashes as follows. So A maps to this string, and B maps to this string, and so on. So here is the mapping relation for each of the 26 letters to its corresponding Morse code. So given an array of strings called words, where each word can be written as a concatenation of the Morse code for each letter. So we are required to return the number of different transformations among all words we have. So here are two examples. So example 2 is trivial because the length of the words array is 1. So the output is 1. So in example 1, so the Jin and the Zin correspond to the same Morse code, and Jig and MSG correspond to the same Morse code. So the output is 2. So the constraints on this problem are the following. First, the words array is not empty and its length is at most 100. And each of the words has length bounded above by 12. And the word I consists of lowercase English letters only. So with that said, we are ready to do the analysis. So first, the method we are going to use is the dictionary, set, and check method. So actually this method used to the problem here is very straightforward. However, this idea of using dictionary and set and do the checking can solve a bunch of problems. So as you can check from my channel or relative video playlist. So here the idea is the following. So we're going to create a letter and code mapping, and then construct the Morse code for each word, and then use set to filter repetition. So this problem itself, as we mentioned, or as marked by the Leetcode, as easy. So the extension might be interesting. So that is the reverse problem. So given a Morse code string, what are the possible decodings, or how many different ways of decoding? So for example, this Morse code can be Jig and MSG as in example 1. So this extension actually is a good problem to try. So with that said, let's write the code. First, we're going to make the correspondence. So I'm going to write this as step 1, preparation. So for this, I'm going to use the 26 lowercase English letters. So we're not going to type all of this. So we can from string, so import ASCII lowercase. So this ASCII lowercase string is the 26 lowercase English letters. So also we're going to copy this string, this list. So I'm going to call this codes, and I'm going to make a table. Let's say table equals a dictionary, just for the ease of check. So each letter corresponding to a code. So for a letter and code in the zip ASCII lowercase and codes. So this way actually we build the table. So next, so we prepare our result. So for this, we're going to use an auxiliary set. Right. So here we're going to use the set abstract data structure, and then we're going to linear scan the words. So for word in words. So we're going to get the Morse code corresponding to this word. So this is actually easy. So Morse code. So here I'm going to find the string for each word or character in the word, and then we concatenate them. So just a join. So I'm going to use a list comprehension. So the table of the corresponding letter. so for letter in word. So this way, so this variable Morse code is the Morse code corresponding to the word here, and then we are going to add this Morse code to the set auxiliary, right? So auxiliary add Morse code. So the set actually has a property that is all the elements in the set is unique. So with that said, actually we finished the bulk of the work. Then finally we just need to return the length of the set aux. So this is actually a full solution to this problem. Let's do a special case check. Yeah, it passes example 1. Now let's do the generic case check. Yeah, it passes all the cases. So that's about it for this solution to this specific problem. As we mentioned that, so it's good to check out or solve this reverse problem. That is, given a Morse code string, so what are the possible decodings, or how many different ways of decoding? So with that said, I guess that's about it for this problem and for this video. Thank you very much.